In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on Robinhood. So what you want to do is go ahead and find your Robinhood app. Go ahead and log in. I'm going to use my Face ID and go ahead and find the stock or ETF that you want to try and sell. So I'm just going to pick one here. It's ADTX. It's just a penny stock. I have a lot on here that I don't really want anymore. So what we can do is go ahead and hit trade at the very bottom here of your screen. If you scroll down, you have a lot of information about the stock and all that stuff. But for this example, just to sell a stock, go ahead and hit trade and choose sell. So from this point, you can just type in one, because you see here as it says individual one share. I can just hit one and that will sell it at the price that the market's at. Or if you want to just hit the sell all button, you can go ahead and sell all. That's good if you don't typically have a full share of something. If you have like a quarter share or a small margin of that one share, it's real easy to do, just to sell everything that you have. So once you have that chose, you can go to the bottom where it says swipe up to submit. It gives you an order summary of what's happening, and you go ahead and you swipe up. It'll take an order. It'll take a second to sell, and then you get the confirmation. You get the confirmation notification, and you just hit done because your order is now complete. And now you can go back and see that the stock just disappeared and your stock is sold. Certain apps will wait until the market opens for you to sell. Some apps will let you do it after the market closed. So that's different for every app out there. And that's how you would go about selling your stock on Robinhood. So I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.